Are y'all single or taken?
Shit, I'm happily married, you feel me?
You know what I'm saying?
I got a game.
Oh, shit.
What about you, Jay?
Too confidential, I ain't talking on phones. You speak on my line, you breaking the code. Got me a bag and invested in low. Love all of my niggas, I cut them me told. Walk in my closet, a whole lot of clothes. Bitches approach when I walk in the door. I'ma fuck her so good when she touching her toes. I done ran up my money, went out on the road. Yeah, yeah. I can say that I did it on them. Got these VVs on me, every one of them shining. When I started, I hit it on them. When I walk in that bitch, if I like it, I'm back.
What's good, YouTube? I'm here with SG Gang. Feel me? Missing a couple, but it's alright though. I'm Tricky J, SG.
I'm SG Roma.
SG Key.
SUG money.
And today we got for you Q&A. Feel me? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on them post notifications. Shit, man. Alright. The first question is favorite food? I gotta go with a steak and cheese with mad ketchup.
Mad ketchup.
Mad ketchup. I do love ketchup too.
Alright, my favorite food is, say pizza.
Pizza? What kind?
Don't matter.
Pineapple?
Hell no.
Pineapple.
Nah, you know what I'm saying?
That shit don't even belong on a pizza.
Comment below if you think pineapple belong on pizza. You feel me?
You
That shit
know,
don't belong on pizza.
no, favorite food gotta go with chicken.
Chicken with
Straight chicken.
Grilled, you know what I'm saying? Fried.
Fried.
Alright.
Can't go wrong with sticky either.
Shit, mate. You didn't go yet.
Oh, my favorite food is fried chicken.
Fried chicken. Ah, you
yeah.
got 2 fried chickens in here.
Okay.
Favorite rapper? This is tough. This is tough.
For you.
For me, it's tough.
For me,
It's tough.
There's no-
I gotta go with Polo G.
Polo G.
Gotta go with Polo G.
What's your favorite song by Polo G?
D Wounds. By far. D Wounds.
Shit, me. I don't even know.
I don't know. No.
Nah, I mean NBA, but I mean
Can't go wrong with NBA though.
you can't go wrong with NBA. But I feel like he's just he's not really overrated. He's just he's just godly.
Golly. Yeah.
So
Niggas know who we G go with.
Young boy.
Not even a question.
Lady type. I say. I ain't gonna say anything, but say anything with a good personality. Don't matter to me.
Don't matter.
Not like that, but you have a good personality. You feel me? Good personality. You gotta look at least good. You feel me? You gotta look good.
Decent.
you gotta be
Nah,
You
you gotta be
decent.
respectful.
Yeah, respectful too.
You gotta
I
have
don't-
self-respect.
I don't like that ratchet and loud. You feel me? You gotta have hair. If my hair's long, you can't do it. You can't do it. I'm sick and tired of it. I'm fed up. I'm fessed up. Feel me? Alright. Type lady.
Lady type, yeah. So respectful. Can't be all loud and all the time. You gotta have self-respect. Respect other people's wishes and stuff like that. You gotta be.
With me, you know, I love the Latinas. For me,
Can't go wrong
I
with
love the Spanish
those.
ladies.
They crazy as hell though.
No.
On God. On God. On God.
You know, they come crazy. They still valid.
For me, a respectful fat bitch.
Hey man.
My first girlfriend was a fat bitch. You gotta stick with the money.
Oh Lord, nah, you
Shit,
can't.
I
you
knew this
can't.
nigga had a thing for fat bitches. I'm not gonna hold you.
Hey man, sports you play? I play ball. You know what I'm saying? I play a lot of sports, but my favorite is ball. I used to play football, but we ain't gonna get into that story. We gonna go in story mode for that one, for sure.
So, sports you play?
Yeah.
I don't play sports.
You play women.
Shut up, you skeezer.
Crazy skis. You know, same here. Play ball. Used to play football, but if you know, you know. That ain't turned out too good.
Alright, for me, I played baseball for a few when I was young. When I started playing basketball, I quit. I'm not going back though. It's just a lot of
I
work.
feel it. I feel it.
Who gets the most lotties? My man's he's in the cut. He's in the cut. G, you got that, bro.
I get no bitches.
My son low key with it too. That's why I like he low key about his shit. Man, he not loud. I like that. Who got the most bodies? Him right here. This dog right here. This man's a dog right here, man. No cap.
Niggas know it's Jay, man.
Yeah, it's me, unfortunately. You know what I'm saying? Gonna speak on that though.
Cause you're a fucking skeezer.
Nah. I ain't got. To be honest, I got 3. You feel me? I got 3.
3. Everybody give a count.
I got 3. All right.
You know
how much you got?
3.
How much you got? Alright. Where do you see yourself in 10 years? To be honest, I really don't. To be honest, I really don't know right now. You feel me? I'm going.
Me, I still see myself playing ball, but if not, you know, I'm being the business world for me, making clothes probably, all that.
On the same track where
Like that.
Yeah.
Alright, craziest sex experience.
here we go.
Uh-oh.
Go crazy, Jay.
I bet. Long story short, right? So,
I'm gonna go last. I'm going last.
I was at Shorty's granny crib. You feel me? I was getting the bus down. You feel me? Straight like this, sitting on my lap, crazy, get down and dirty. Mind you, the window was open, but you see outside. And when you walk by, you can see the window. You can see through the window. You feel me? It was open. Summertime. Shorty grandma left. Went to go get the great grandma. So she came back, right?
Great granny.
Great granny. She came back. Window was open. Boom. I turn my head. I see both of them right. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. I pushed her so fast, bro. I had my shirt off, my shorts, and my underwear. All that off, bro.
Body
Bro, I was butt ass naked, bro.
Oh my God! Wow!
Down and dirty, you know what I'm saying? Get my bust down. Boom.
Damn, Abuela would have came in and seen all your everything.
No cat, bro. You don't know how fast I got dressed. I didn't even have the chance to put my underwear on right. You know what I'm saying? My shit was backwards. Shorts was backwards. Also, didn't even get to put my shirt on. Feel me? That's how fast it was. But yeah, that's my craziest sex experience. I got another too. I nutted on the couch, by the way.
Nah, Abuela, I see.
Nah, me. Shit ain't crazy. I just get crazy. But I have nothing like bizarre happen like this, nigga. No. What you, Jay?
I don't know that crazy. My shit boring.
It's like this bored. Basic. What's up with you, boy?
Oh,
What's up with you, boy? Let's get into that.
Come on. Let's get into that.
Hell
Let's get into that. This is Fanta, strawberry Fanta, by the way. I don't sip, I don't drink, I don't smoke. You feel me? Come on, you said you was going last, bro. Come on, you can't cap now. You said you was going last.
Go to crib.
I
I cut that shit off though.
In your leg?
In my right here, like right there.
Oh no! Oh no!
Like in my upper thigh.
Oh no!
Oh shit! Hold on. Wait.
My son, he's about to nut. My son put
Hey,
the
bro,
nut
I
up.
swear I put it. I'm not even into that. I
Oh,
put it
wow. What's the next question?
Alright, so someone said, if you could choose one drug, what would it be and why?
Marijuana.
Weed.
The earth made that for us, man. You feel me?
Crack.
Born?
I choose meth.
Meth? Wow, y'all.
You're basic. You gotta go
wow.
different.
What you say, marijuana?
You might as well fucking smoke some PCP then.
Exactly. I pick marijuana because that's the
Pick weed,
safest
too.
in my opinion. You feel me? You get high as shit. You smoke crack, you losing weight.
But you're getting lit. Your hair like this. You're crazy.
Yo, that's so wild.
Yo.
Crazy as hell, man. Next question, man. Next question. favorite memory with each other. Bro, we had so many. You want to speak on that night?
One night.
That night.
Oh.
You want to speak on that night? You want to speak on that, bro?
Speak on it.
I bet. Story time. So,
Why
boom.
don't you save it for a story time?
Huh?
Why don't you save it for a story time?
I can't say for. I'm gonna use a different one. Alright, boom. Oh, damn, we have a lot. I have a lot with you too. I have a lot with you, bro.
Cause your feet.
It is what it is. You shit
Fuck
me.
you, bitch ass.
Pick
Alright,
one.
damn, we have so many, but I don't remember some. Favorite memory. Oh, the dad got chased with a chihuahua.
Oh, at my house?
Nah, that wasn't.
Nah, but you kicked it in the back of
I
the
kicked that shit out of that dog. I tried to hop on top of the trash can, I fell.
That shit's like, he kicked it in the moment. She's like, he started crying.
Yeah, we don't really got favorite memories. Feel me? I have a lot with him. Too many. I'm gonna say that for story time. Stay tuned. Next question.
The next question is closest people in your life.
Yeah.
Close people in your life.
Yeah. You feel me?
Yeah, thanks. My mom too.
Mom
My mom's
dudes.
my best friend.
You feel me? Mom's funny
Can't
as
forget
shit.
Granny. Can't forget Granny.
Can't forget the
I
granny.
fuck with her.
I get it. Thief. Shit, man.
Still pill bottles, all that.
I love all my friends, though. No
She
cap.
wild.
Shout out to the ones. Stay loyal. Day one. Next question.
Next question is, what do you do on your free time? Someone.
Free time. Alright, so I got injured on my back, my lower back. I have fluid inside of it, so now I just go home, play the game, play Fortnite 2K, take naps, bother my mom and my family a lot. Really much, nothing much. I lay down, rest my back.
I play a game. Yeah, that's it. Chill with them sometimes.
Yeah, that too. I chill the gang.
Feel me? You know, I be balling up in the gym. And if anything, I just go home, just be on the game.
Guys,
And
ball,
if
man.
not, then I'm with these niggas.
So on my free time, play the game. I go to sleep while I do these niggas too.
Bro, you sleep all day, bro. Yo, don't ever make plans with him right after school. It's not gonna happen, bro. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. That's a fact. Next question.
Next question is, big ass or big titties?
Come on, man. I'm going with the ass. You shit me. But
That's a hard
hey, ain't no wrong with big titties, but
That's a hard one.
come on,
I
nah,
love
bro. We know what you like.
What if
bro.
you had big titties and no ass?
Wait, what?
Big titties and no ass.
She feel like a pea.
Or big ass.
Yeah.
or big ass and no titties.
See, when you're cracking, you like to see the titties bounce.
That's different. You got back
That's
shots.
fact.
Come on, you got back shots. You
got
you
back
feeling
shots,
all
but
bones, bro.
Nigga look missionary.
I don't know.
God, on God.
Fact. You don't have to
Oh,
look
God.
that missionary.
No,
That
I'm
shit. That's the
Okay.
one that gave me a fucking grant. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do the ass.
Shit, man.
No, can never go wrong with the booty, man. Gotta love it.
Come on. Same with you?
Yeah, the booty.
Ah, crazy. So, next question. This is the final question, by the way. Final question.
Are y'all single or taken? Are y'all single or taken?
Shit, I'm happily married. You feel me?
You know what I'm saying?
I got a girl.
Oh, shit.
What about you, Jay?
I'm taking.
He's a fucking.
I'm taking. You know what I'm saying? I'm taking. I'm taking.
Good shit, boy.
I'm taking.
So, me?
Watch me out here this story time. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
It's complicated, man. It's complicated. I'm chilling, talking to someone. But it's complicated.
Bunny.
We just fucking
How about you, G?
Me? I'm single, but I'm not single.
I like that.
I ain't looking for nobody.
Well, that was
Now there's 2 more questions. 2 more questions.
2 more. I gonna have 2 more. Get spicy.
It says, where you guys from?
I was born in Alright, but I used to live in New York. I jogged in New York because, you know what I'm saying, that's just unique of me. I used to live out there with my uncle. So the Bronx.
I'm from Orion.
No, born and raised alright. Feel me?
Same with these niggas. Alright. And then the last question is, how old are y'all?
I'm big 17. Just turned 17 this year.
I'm 16.
16.
16 as well.
Birthday boys right here. Shit, man. Alright. That was the final question, man. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Shit, me.
Hit that bell.
Yeah, let us know how we did. Feel me in the comment below.